Number 53, start by drawing a rectangle. The length is 3 times the width. Let's write that out. The length is 3 times the width. Not 3 plus the width. 3 times the width. The length is 3 times the width. So it's either G or H. Now the perimeter is 48. In our picture, let's suppose that this is our width and this is our length. We know that the perimeter is a distance all the way around, so we're going to add up. Starting here, we're going to go L, and then this distance is W, and then this distance is another L, and then this distance is W. So the perimeter is L plus W plus L plus W. L plus W plus L plus W, which is 2L and 2W. Now, do we see that anywhere? Perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. Definitely not here. How about here? Oh, if we distribute, this would be 2L plus 2W. In other words, we can think of this as 2 times L plus W. So, there's our system. Choice H.